Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change server in Mobile Legends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To check whether you can change your server in Mobile Legends, first open the game. On the main screen, tap on your person icon. This will take you to the support center. Now, use the search bar and type in Change Server. You'll see an article appear titled How to Change Server. Open that article to get the official answer. As you can see, you cannot change servers in Mobile Legends because the game uses a global matchmaking system. All servers are connected, which means you're automatically matched with players from different regions. That's why the option to manually switch servers isn't available. Your game data, including profile, progress, and rank, is tied to your original server. So unfortunately, Mobile Legends does not support server switching at this time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change server in Mobile Legends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.